If you need to count words in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to check your document's total word count and character count in just a few clicks. Whether you're working on an essay, report, blog draft, or any other text document, knowing how to find the word count in LibreOffice Writer can save you time and help you stay within a target length. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, look at the left side under Create and click Write a Document if you want to start a new file. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. This works the same way either way. Next, once your document is open, look at the top menu bar and click Tools. The Tools menu contains several useful options for editing and reviewing your document, and the one we need is Word Count. After clicking Tools, select Word Count from the drop-down menu. A small window will appear on your screen, showing the total number of words in your document, along with the character count. This is especially useful if you need to meet a writing requirement or check whether your document is long enough. You can use this feature anytime while you're writing, so if you make changes to your document, just go back to Tools and click Word Count again to refresh the numbers. It's a simple but very helpful feature for students, writers, and office users alike. When you're finished reviewing the count, simply click Close to exit the window. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to count words in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily using the Tools menu. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.